it's your girl Bina, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting together a greenhouse for my garden. Because we can't have those rodents and those little bugs or whatever eating at my crops, okay? Because they're starting to come in nice and I really want to protect them, okay? So this is what I got. I got a winter protection greenhouse, okay? I found this at Aldi, so shout out to my mommy. Thank you, Mom, for telling me about this. This was only $20, okay? $20 at Aldi, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it together. All right, the first step is to make a hexagon. So I hope you guys know your, what is it, geometry? That might not be right, but yeah, you're supposed to make a hexagon. And then I'm gonna fill in the parts that are not connected with joints.
Y'all wanna be friendly, but I remain humble and keep smiling at my enemy. Cause I'm a champion, ain't no quitters round this bitch. I'm a champion, I'm gon' grind till I make it. I'm a champion, I find a way, I make a way to all my champions. Ask me where I've been, I tell them I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. They ask me where I've been, I tell them I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. Ask me where I've been on my grind. 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 They tried to hold me back, but I just keep on winning. Should've recognized the fight in me from the beginning. Whoever said that it was over, I just keep on coming at them like Rocky Balboa. I done fell so many times, but I keep on getting up, cause only the strong will survive. Be the one who's standing in the end. I guess you should never say never. I just keep on psyching on my like Money Mayweather. Cause I'm a champion, ain't no quitters round this bitch. I'm a champion, I'm gon' grind till I make it. I'm a champion, I find a way, I make a way to all my champions. Say, ask me where I've been, I tell them I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. They ask me where I've been, I tell them I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. Ask me where I've been on my grind. 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 I've been on my grind.
Okay, how the heck am I gonna get this out the house? I don't know if my door over there is wide enough. So I may have done all this and have to do it all again. And guess what? I'm also going out for girls' night tonight, and and I'm gonna have to get dressed pretty soon, so we're gonna have to make this quick. So I hope that I'm doing this right. It looks like it's pretty sturdy, and I'm gonna keep on going. Y'all think this thing gonna fit out this door? Uh-oh. Okay, come on through. Okay. Oh. We made it! We outside, y'all. We outside. Okay, now it's time to put the cover over the top of this thing. It feels pretty sturdy.
I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind.
Wow. This is pretty cool. Hey y'all. I love it so far. Wow. All right, next step. It says start from the top and pull over the cover. Okay, we did that. Insert the metal pegs. Oh, okay, so now we need to move to my garden. I know that this is not gonna fit, so let's go see. Okay, this definitely doesn't fit. Okay, so I feel like an idiot because this doesn't fit. So yeah, I guess that's just a fail. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this to the front yard and put this around my mango and my lemon tree. And I got some Transcantia Zebrina all in the front, and it's so beautiful. I really don't want it to die during the winter because I'm in Georgia and it's getting really cold. Today it feels good outside, that's why I got these shorts on. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this to the front. I'm pretty sure that this will cover that, and then maybe the company that makes this will have one that actually fits my garden. Womp womp womp. Y'all see how strong I am?
I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind.
All right, so this actually works for my mango tree plant, whatever you want to call it, and my lemon tree plant, or whatever you want to call it. It's gonna protect it, so I'm pretty happy about that. It's not very flattering in my yard, but hey, if it's gonna work, it's gonna work. I think it's really cute because I have like this little place right here where I can like just open it up, unzip it, walk inside, check on it. There's also a little window, which is so cute. So I'll update you guys and let you know what's next. I'm gonna have to get a greenhouse in the back. So if you guys know anywhere that I could get one of those, let me know. Time to get ready for a girls' night out. See you there.